Hi guys, want to share your Facebook profile quickly with others? Copying your Facebook profile URL is simple and takes only a few steps. Follow this easy guide to get your profile link and share it anywhere you need. To begin, open the Facebook application on your smartphone and log into your account. After opening Facebook, go to your personal profile page. You can access your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top of the screen or by selecting your profile from the menu. Once you are on your profile page, find the three-dot icon located beside the Edit Profile button. This icon contains additional profile options and settings. Tap on the three dots to open the available menu. Next, carefully scroll down through the options until you find Copy Link to Profile. When you tap on this option, Facebook will automatically copy your profile URL. The link is now stored on your phone's clipboard and is ready to share. To use the copied link, open any place where you want to send it, such as Messenger, WhatsApp, email, or a website form. Press and hold on the text area, then select Paste. Your Facebook profile URL will appear instantly. Copying your Facebook profile link is a helpful feature that saves time and makes connecting with others easier. It is especially useful for business owners, content creators, job seekers, and anyone who wants to share their Facebook presence quickly. With just a few simple taps, you can copy your profile URL and share it anywhere. This easy method allows you to stay connected and make your Facebook profile more accessible to others.